Boy, at my shop, just hooked a little bass. He's fighting a little bit, and look, here go the gator, y'all. Y'all see that gator coming? I ain't gonna let him get it though. I ain't gonna let him get it, but he coming. He probably come right out the water at me. Look at him, bro. He probably come right out the water. I ain't gonna let you get him. Crazy looking gator, bro. Look at him, bro. Ooh, man. Spooky. Look at him, he trying to come. Nope, not today, buddy. Ooh. Watch, might try to come out the water, y'all.